Hey, what's up guys, it's Heroek back with another unboxing, but this is actually quite a different video. It's not like my usual vinyl unboxings. It's actually my first ever shoe unboxing, and I have the black Crocs Off Grid Clogs. Now, the first thing that stuck out to me when I got this was that it doesn't come in a typical shoe box like Nike or these other brands. It came in like a paper package. A bag that was apparently made from 95% recycled materials, which is pretty cool. So let me open this up and show you guys what the shoes themselves look like. All right, so outside of that bag, we now get this bag with the shoes themselves. Oh my God, I just took them out of this like Ziploc bag and it just smells like rubber. Here are the shoes themselves. You can see it's a bit different from their classic clog style. You got this like geometrical pattern on the bottom and then a similar pattern on the actual sole of the shoe, which is actually a bit like raised up and bumpy. So that's probably gonna feel good on your feet. And rather than all of the top being covered in dots like a typical Croc, these have a bit more of like a design to them, or a bit more of a solid part. Let's take this like green Crocs connector out that was holding them together. So these are the Off Grid Clogs in black, and apparently they were made in Vietnam. Taking them out of all the bags, all the tags and everything taken off, this is the shoe. You still got that classic Crocs band that can go back and forth. I don't know how well you can see it here, but like these bumps do come off of the sole a little bit, sort of matching the indents here on the bottom side of the shoe. And overall, a pretty cool design that I liked a bit better than just the classic clog. It's definitely breathable, definitely comfortable, but depending on what you're doing in them, could fall off. Thank you guys so much for watching. Definitely a weird kind of video. I guess this is what you get when school's out and I don't have any vinyl to unbox. But thank you guys so much for watching. If you liked it, don't forget to like and subscribe, and go get yourself some of my Quest clothing merch. I'll leave a link down in the description because it's the best way to support me across all my channels. And I will see you in the next video.